inside this particular laptop, and we are trying to turn it on. Just the laptop is on. Now what I will be doing is that I will be just partitioning. That means I will make partition of this solid state drive, and this is a 240 GB SSD. Let's see how much we are going to get out of it. As you might be knowing that no hard disk comes with full capacity. That means there are some storage which are reserved for the SSD to perform it in well functioning manner. The laptop is starting because we have inserted a new hard drive, so it might not be recognizing it. So here we go, it's started. We have entered the password. It's taking longer than normal. Just wait. And now what we have to do is that we have to go to the device manager of this particular laptop. You can go to the properties over here, and from there you can jump to the device manager. This is the device manager. Or what you can do, other thing is that simply select this computer from the desktop and go to the disk management. I guess that there is an option called disk management over here. This is this manage. The laptop has become very slow. Here we go. This is the disk management. Here the new install hard drive will appear over here. See, here it is asking to initialize the disk. What we will be doing is that we will be selecting GPT, that is GUID partition table, and we will not use this MBR because MBR has got some limitations. So we will be using this GPT. Okay, here we go. This is the new hard drive which we have just installed using caddy. So what we will be doing is that we will simply be using this particular option. That means we will be clicking over here, and we will go to new simple volume over here, and the total capacity, that means out of 240 GB we are getting 223.45 GB. But what we will be doing is that we will be reserving 20% of the hard drive capacity for over provisioning purpose. That means we will be using only 200 GB out of this 240 GB, and the rest we will not be using, because there are some limitations and there are some procedures which we have to follow while using SSD, solid state drive. Otherwise the SSD will not last longer. So here we go. It is asking the size in megabytes. So what I will be doing is that I will be making a partition of something around 150 GB, that is 150 into 1024, that is 153600. 153600. This will be making a drive of 150 GB. So you can assign any later over here, and this is SSD1. I will just name it as SSD1 Win, because I will be installing Windows 10 in this particular drive. Right now this laptop has got Windows 8, but I will be installing Windows 10 over here. Where we go, finish. See, one partition has been formed. It is formatting. The format has completed. Now what I will be doing is that I will making a partition of 50 GB out of it, because out of this 73.45 GB I will be using only 50 GB, and I will left the remaining 23.45 GB as unallocated, because that is very much crucial to leave 20%, not 20%, 10% of the drive as empty for smooth functioning of the drive. So 50 into 1024, it will be equal to 5120. This will be of 50 GB, and this will be SSD 2. I have named this particular drive as SSD 2. Here we go. So now you can go to the my this PC, and you can see this is the SSD 1 which we have installed right now, and this is the SSD 2 which we have installed right now. What I will be doing is that uh, so now I will be installing Windows 10 in this particular laptop, but before that I have to back up few files. So I will start the video, that means I will make the next part once I will be installing Windows 10 on it. So Sekharji, please pause the video.